Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be using this product, this Wonder. I will use it to prime my face, and in this tutorial is gonna be beginners makeup tutorial. Once I'm done applying my face, I go in with my eyebrow powder seal. I use it to fill in my eyebrows, and the best thing and the best way to do your brows is to fill it in. Even though you draw it, but you must fill in those spaces. Then once I'm done, I go in with my Clinique Beyond Perfect Foundation 2-in-1, and this is also concealer as well. Then I use it to conceal under my eyebrows as I'm doing it right now. Then once I'm doing that, then I go in and use my sponge to blend it. Then I go in with my Real Matte foundation from Avon. Then I apply a little bit quantity, and mind you, this foundation right here is a full coverage. Then I take that quantity, and this is how it covers all my face and give me that beautiful look. Then I go in with the same concealer again and conceal under my eyes. Oh yeah, you looking those beautiful, they are so gorgeous. Then once I'm done, I check if I blended the foundation very well and concealer as well. Then I make sure that I did that properly and look at it and check it again. Yeah, that is it. Then I go in with my ColourPop No Filter setting powder. I love this setting powder so much, and this setting powder is in banana. And here you guys, I use it to apply under my eyes, and I apply it very well. So basically, once I'm done applying them, then I go in with my Yves Rocher 40 colors. Then I'll be using this palette to achieve all the different looks that I want. Then I choose one of the nude colors, so I'm gonna go in with this one of the nude color because I can nude colors. So once I'm done with that, I start blending my eyeshadow. I make sure that I blend them very well. So once I'm done applying them, then I go in and apply my contour. I contour my cheeks, jaw and forehead. Then I blend it very well thoroughly. Then I go in with one of the colors in the eyeshadow palette, and as my blush, I use them to blush, dust out the excess powder, and also go back to the palette again and take from there and highlight my face. So I make sure that I highlight it. I don't want it to be too much when looking at it. I want it to be moderate, not too much, but not too much, not little, in between. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do as I highlight. Then once I'm done, then I go in with my eyeliner pencil and apply under my eyes, so that it will give me that black look. Then I make sure that I apply it very well like this. So once I'm done doing that, then I go in with my You Can Be mascara, something like that. So I use this mascara to brush up my eyelashes, because I'm not gonna go in with artificial lashes, because I already have those individual lashes that I fixed the other day. So after that, I go in with my lip liner. Okay, so right here is where I'll be teaching you guys how to lip combo or ombre lip. Then just make sure you apply the lip liner in the appropriate way you want it. As for me personally, I like to apply it according to the size of my lip. Then once you're done applying them like as I do, or as your choice, then you can go in with any of your choice, any of lipstick that you have. Then you use that lipstick to apply it in the middle. So right here, once you are done applying it, be it liquid, glossy or matte, so it's between you and to choose if you can be adding lip gloss. But for me, I like to apply lip gloss because that makes those lip combo or lip ombre so beautiful. That makes it glossy. Okay, so once I'm done applying it, then I make sure that I apply them mostly in the places where I apply my lip liner. And here you guys, you'll be rocking your beauty. Like, look at how gorgeous I am. So if you do that, you'll be rocking like this. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.